How to reinstall Google Home app on iPhone. Deleted your Google Home app and need it back? No worries. Let's reinstall it in just a few taps. Open App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom right, then type Google Home and hit search. Look for the official Google Home app with the little house-shaped Google logo. Once you find it, tap the download icon, the cloud with an arrow, or the get button. If asked, confirm the Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now wait for a few seconds while it downloads and installs. Once installed, tap Open and boom, the Google Home app is back on your iPhone, good as new. After reinstalling, you will need to sign back in with your Google account to access a smart device. And that's it. You have successfully reinstalled the Google Home app on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to drop a comment with your question and subscribe for more quick and fun tech tips. Catch you in the next one.